completely free. No fees, no catch. If you want a certificate that actually gets recruiters to call you back, stay with me for the next 10 minutes because I'm going to show you how exactly to get claim of these certificates, which ones to pick, how to actually pass them, which certificates to opt, who can do this, and why all it matters for you now. So, as in the current situation, the scenario, people are preferring AI over current skills and most of it. So, these Oracle certificates are globally recognized. These are used by TCS, Infosys, Wipro. You can even learn AI in it. Normally, these cost real money per exam attempt, but right now they are free through Oracle's official learning initiative. Let me explain you briefly. This is Oracle's push to get more people skilled up in AI, as it is booming these days in cloud and data they are subsidizing and working on. So probably the next question would be, who is this for? Who are eligible for this, and what is the eligible criteria for it? So students who are doing BTech, BCA, and even freshers, working professionals, career switchers, all of these can work on it. Working professionals wanting to upskill, career switchers, they need not to have any Oracle experience required. No prior experience is required for foundation level certifications. All you need is just an Oracle account and internet access for the schedule on top. You're good to go. So let me tell you how to register for this. As you can see, these are the number of certifications available we can do. So that is explore our cloud library where we can find most of our presumed or resumed courses which we have started ahead. OCI for GCP architects, which you can also do, but these will be achieved on 30th September, means they won't be available after which. Look at this, how many courses are available. Each and every courses you select for, they'll be having some sub modules. They even mention the time for which they allocate. It would be taken to finish these courses. And these modules, once you are done, you can click onto it, get all the knowledge required for it. Once you are done, you have to do the exam or the certification criteria required for it. So in progress, you can see whatever the courses you have started till date. It's just a walkthrough how you will be working on these courses, how to opt for each of these courses. If you are interested in, Azure specialist programming, you can go with these. And if you are interested with the cloud, you can prefer with OCI cloud. And if you are interested with AI certifications, there are many other courses available for it, which you can opt for it and work on it. If you want to multi specialize these, you can start at the same time and work on it. But what I suggest you to do is to first pick a program, then start doing hands on for it, get whole experience, whatever is required for it. So once you get understanding of what is present in a particular program and you get total knowledge of it, then you can start next program, go with the next program unless you finish the first one. That is what I suggest for you. So you have your cloud library in which you can store whatever the programs you have started in it, and it is categorized. Each and every program, the sub models, everything is properly structured and categorized. So whatever you're preferring, you can start it accordingly. So I'll tell you how to register for it. I think I have already showed you how to register for it. Once you have to, sign up for whole Oracle, certification. This platform, then you have to register for each and every program you're interested in it. So how to register for it? Firstly, go to the Oracle website link which I have provided in the description. Then create or log into the Oracle account. If you don't have the account, you have to sign up for it. So how you have to sign up? Enter your personal details, all of the details, all other details which they have asked to fill it those. And then next step, what you have to do is get back to the same official link and then log into the same platform. There you'll be finding all the certifications which I have showed you just now. Let me just give few examples for it. OCI Foundation Associate, OCI AI Foundation Associate, Generative AI Professional, Multi-Cloud Tracks, Data Platform Tracks, and many other certifications based on your goal. You have to, finish all the certifications, enroll in each and every free courses, and learning path get started. So complete the modules. Might be it roughly takes 10 to 30 hours depending on the track you have preferred. Schedule your exam once you have learned everything, so it's automatically, it schedules it. So how to pass it? Here are few tricks how to get through these labs and exams and everything. So first, what you have to do is understand whatever the knowledge, either it can be technical or descriptive knowledge which they have provided. So after that, don't never ever miss on the hands-on labs. So these exams these are test applied knowledge. So, and after which use official practice assessments which they will be giving up, and then take notes. Don't forget those the terms and everything which they'll be speaking up or giving you all of it. And then for the foundation level certifications, don't forget to you know understand each and every terms, and only after foundation level certification then start attempting the professional level certifications. Before professional level certification, don't forget to do this foundation level certifications. That is what I tell you to do. And after which, after passing this, you get a digital badge and a certification which you can flaunt in LinkedIn, obviously. After which, you know, once you post on LinkedIn, you get more of followers. That is what. Now, what is the impact it gives you? For these, the site general trend, whatever the cloud AI certified profiles you are going to work on, certifications you have done on, it strengthens your knowledge in these plans, and at the same time, it gives more of the recruiter attention. If you are a fresher, it gives more of the recruiter attention you're preferring, and you're craving for that whenever you're craving for that attention. So mention entry points. These cloud support engineer, AI ML trainee, data analyst roles, these are the entry points and these are easy too. When compared to other courses, the basic courses which you are, to break into the tech world, you can do these basic courses and entry point courses. And even one certification on your resume signals that you're serious about upskilling. That too from Oracle. It shows that the Oracle usually, it does and makes these certifications a little tougher compared to other platforms. So whenever you are doing this Oracle certification or you have done, it shows that it gives that impression on the recruiter that you have done something. So that's it for today's. Link is in the description. Official Oracle certification page is in the description below. Go create your free account today, and don't forget to drop a comment telling me which track you are going for today and what you're going to do for the next few days or few months. I'll help you plan the order if you want me to, and I'm going to reply for each and every comment. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.